Hi everybody, let's see what we are going to create today. This is a great picture of a great hill in Montana. Let's create it. At first we need a blank space and this picture and this text. They are same thing. This text is just a simple text. I'm going to make it more simpler because the simpler the text is more beautiful. And you don't forget, you can give it some shadows to the text that make it look better. I, for example, like this kind of shadows. It makes them wider and better. And after that, you need these things, this effect. So how we can create this effect? It's a really good question. So let's, for that, at first, copy this slide. And here, we are going to increase the size of the slide. And then the thing that we are going to do, we are going to create a copy of this shape, this picture. Okay, we create that. And we are going to send the shape picture to back. And here we have this picture. We are going to correct the pictures by making the sharpness minus and the brightness minus and the contrast minus. And then we are going to just simply crop the shape, reduce it to this size. You see, it's now we copy the text and reduce it to the size of the text easily. Crop it to the size of the text. Okay, everything is good. Now we copy these two and bring them here and bring them out of this picture and set the transition to morph. You see? Now, and we can also here increase the size of this text for better effect. Okay, let's take a look. You see, it's perfectly aligned and giving you the best feeling it's possible. You can also bring it down to make everything better. Let's take a look now. You see, it's pretty amazing. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Until then, have a nice time.